many years ago, 18, 20 years ago, I had a partial knee transplant here back in Wales, and which I thought was very successful. But on the 4th of June this year, I lifted something on the lawn in my house, turned awkwardly, and there was a crack. Quite a loud crack, and I landed up on the floor. I had crutches, so the next day I went to see my GP, who was helpful up to a point, but can't do anything, so recommended I went to a hospital.
And then Roger's journey took a complicated turn, waiting for over 2 weeks for his X-ray results. He never got to speak with the consultant in person, so he called the consultant's secretary himself, only to hear the waiting list for knee replacement surgery is now minimum 12 months.
A 12-month waiting list. And I said, but it's marked urgent. Yes, she said, I can see it's marked urgent. An urgent appointment at the moment are 12 months minimum.
Roger's knee replacement testimonial.
Why did I choose wellness travel? Because initially the contact I had with Thomas, I must say he was very good, very open, very honest, not pushy, and without discussing a price, we went on to speak to the tall, handsome one that we call Linas today, and I had a face-to-face with him on WhatsApp, and it just gave me confidence in that I was making the right decision. He's amazing. He doesn't push himself forward in the world. He's very, very unassuming, but really, really professional. At the time I spoke to him on the WhatsApp conversation, from the beginning you could see that he was not above us. He was on the same level as me. Satisfied is the word I'd use. I was more than satisfied. I didn't expect this level of service and hospitality. That goes without saying.